some tea. So today we might have a little bit more tea for you. Yo.
Is it dick?
You know I told you to wear your earphones, girl.
And I said I'm gonna make
Hi guys, my name is Priscilla.
And I'm Leander.
And we are the official Roomies. Welcome back to our channel.
We hope you enjoyed our previous video.
Some spicy
Some
hot
juice,
tea
some
that we
tea.
gave you guys. And we hope that you are still liking and sharing
And subscribing.
Yes, and watching. So before we start this video, please don't forget to
Like,
subscribe,
comment,
and share.
turn on those post notifications.
That bell right there,
The lovely bell.
because we're going to be giving you content after content after
Yes.
content.
Priscilla, tell them what we're doing.
Today, we're doing my favorite thing, our favorite thing.
We're eating.
We're eating!
Mukbang time.
Yes, we're doing a burger mukbang from...
We have some steers.
Yes.
We have some Burger King. We
Yes.
have some McDonald's.
and,
The heavy hitters.
You know, and then we have just chips with it and drinks, and then we're going to be asking each other questions.
Yes, a young Q&A also.
That we've got from Twitter.
Yeah. Twitter
So-
threads are actually very lit.
Yes, so we're going to be answering those while eating. We hope you enjoy.
And let's get into it.
Let's get into it.
So we have steers over here.
And then we have Burger King,
A Whopper.
and some chips. And then we have McDonald's.
We need to move fast. I'm loving it.
Okay, let's dig in, Leander. And I'm going to ask you the first question.
Alright.
First question is, what is your full name?
My full name is Liana Karabo Pearl Masji.
Okay, my full name is Priscilla. Okay, my full name is actually Grace Priscilla Tsofatso Ngwane. I like Priscilla. I prefer Priscilla. Yes. Okay, what's your nickname?
I have a few. There's Lou, there's Lulu, there's Lulu Babe, but no one uses that anymore. There's Maz, there's Mazzle, there's Mazzy. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. You got confused there.
I was like, what? Mango? What are yours? I don't really have nicknames. Chris.
You're
Chrissy.
lying.
Priska. I hate that. I hate it so much. Your birth month.
August.
Mine is September. Your relationship status.
Single was a Pringle. Not a ring inside.
Single. Very single. Very much single.
Tough times are lasting, guys.
Hey, and they will always last. Demi. Who is your girl best friend?
I hate having to explain this. I have three. Excuse me. Is it 3 or 4? But it's Sana, because I've known her the longest. Then it's Yolanda, because she's like the other version of me. And then there's Priska, the Roomie. We were gonna fight if I didn't say her, so I just had to, you know.
Why?
Yeah, and then there's Sange, Miss Congo, who's actually in the room right now.
Hi guys! My best friends are in this room. This burger is so good. So, Leander, what's the next question?
Next question is, do you believe in second chances?
Yes, I do.
Same, sometimes. What's your dream job?
My dream job currently
is working for DNA brand architects. So to be one of their brand ambassadors, working for them. That's my dream job.
Why are you whispering?
Am I whispering?
Yeah.
Oh man.
You had a soft girl.
She literally said
My dream job is Shrek 4. That's how you sounded.
yours?
My dream job is to be a successful recording artist that also manages a label or a PR company. Big racks. Big racks. Guys, I fucked up. I was supposed to eat the Burger King last!
How are the girls? Day or night?
I like daytime, I think. But I flourish in the nighttime.
Okay.
Period.
I like daytime. Are you the jealous type?
Nah, I'm not jealous. I'm territorial though. What's mine is mine.
Yep.
Period.
Don't touch.
Please don't touch.
How many tattoos do you have?
None yet.
Yet?
Yes, yet.
Are we gonna be there?
Maybe.
We have to be
Maybe
there.
a young vlog.
How many piercings do you have?
Just the ones on my ears. So far.
Same. But we're gonna...
Don't expose our plans here.
It's a surprise. Your favorite number?
I like 8.
I always like the number 7 for some reason. Your one wish.
My one wish. Damn. Yo. I'd wish for Black Lives to matter, bro. That's what I'd wish for. Can Black Lives just matter, please? Yo. What's your one wish?
For Corona to end
Yo.
ASAP.
Very good wish. I'm tired of this, bro.
Mine.
I'm tired.
From the depths of my heart. Like, I can't do it anymore. How many siblings do you have?
Technically 1.
I'm the only child. Love or money?
The love of money. Next.
Yes. Yes.
Jokes aside though, love slaps. Love really, really slaps. Don't let people make you think that it doesn't. It slaps very hard.
Yo,
Don't
get me started. 6 random facts about yourself.
Oh, my mom's family. Let me say that.
For one more time.
Let me say that again in English. This video is going to the pits. I even forgot what I was gonna say. Oh, my mom's family is from Ladysmith. I've been to 6 out of the 9 provinces. I used to be a drum majorette when I was in primary school. Yo, hi.
I don't even know what I'm gonna say.
Yo, I can't come up with 6 random facts, bro. That's too much thinking. That's enough.
Never mind.
Oh,
Next question.
okay.
It's fine. Next question.
What are 6 random facts about you? Go.
What is your zodiac sign?
I am a Leo.
I'm a
Fire sign gang.
I'm a Virgo. What's a Virgo? What sign?
Don't ask me those questions, bro. I don't know. I think it's air or earth.
If you could have one superpower, what would it be?
Teleportation. I'm here now. I'm in Dubai in 10 seconds. Imagine. Yeah.
I feel like we're waking up in.
Oh, R.I.P.
Sorry. I feel like waking up in Bora Bora today.
Yo, how amazing. Yeah, teleportation would bang.
I really like that whole invisible vibe, so I'd like to be invisible. Being places where I'm not supposed to be. What childish things do you still enjoy doing?
I don't know. I don't think it's childish. I think it's just something you do as a child. Like, I like it when my mom does my hair. Like her. Then we sit there and talk stories and gossip. It's nice.
I still eat purity.
Hey, I'm glad this came up now. Who eats baby food above the age of 4 years old? Like, why? Why? Please, guys, make me understand. Those that still eat purity. Why?
It's nice. The most irritating food.
Raisins. Why? Ain't no need for that.
Avos.
Watch your damn mouth.
Who eats avos? What are avos? Yeah, those are irritating because they're everywhere and everyone likes it.
Because it's nice.
It's not nice.
It really is.
Can you cook?
Yes.
Yes.
We make bangers in the kitchen.
We can cook. If we could make a cooking video, we would, but you know.
Ain't nobody got time for that right now.
Describe your mood right now.
I'm pretty relaxed, content, quite full.
Yeah. I'm also really full, and I'm okay. I'm doing okay, and I can't wait to sleep because I'm really tired.
It's DOS.
3 things you love unconditionally.
God, my mom, music. Much love.
Me is God,
Hallelujah.
my family,
Amen.
my parents, and then my friends.
Aww.
So, God, family, friends.
Cookies or cupcakes?
Cupcakes.
Cupcakes. Ooh, I love a good cupcake. We got so excited for cupcakes. Spicy or sweet?
Spicy.
Sweet. I love sweet things. I really love sweet things.
My teeth can't handle sweet things.
What a shame. Burger or fries?
Fries.
Burger. Good beef burger.
Give me slap chips and we're good to go.
Strawberries or grapes?
Strawberries.
I really like strawberries.
Strawberries are so nice.
Yeah, but grapes are also so good. But strawberries just
Strawberries do it.
so yummy. Sweet desserts or salty chips?
Both.
No, you can't do that.
It's tasty when you dip the chips inside the
Okay, fine. I choose sweet desserts. Cheesecake. Wow. Wow.
chocolate cake from Mug and Bean.
Yo, Mug and Bean really needs to sponsor us. I'm sure this is like the second time we've spoken about Mug and Bean.
Mug and Bean, bro.
What's the best gift you've gotten from anyone?
Yo,
Tough question.
that's a very tough question.
Any timer today would be.
I'm trying to think of one. A phone. Yeah, my first BlackBerry. That was very touching because it wasn't from my parents, it was from just, other.
Oh, that's nice.
That was a long time ago,
Yeah.
but like it really.
Yeah, I don't get gifts now.
Yeah, I think that people.
Oh, I know. The necklace I got from Yola. It really was the best gift I've ever gotten.
That was really pretty.
So cute. Ish, and it's broken. Hey, I'll edit it out, bruh. On a scale of 1 to 10, how patient are you?
9, 8, 9.
I'm a 6.5, 7. I'm patient enough, but don't waste my time, you know.
Do not.
Don't waste my time. Ooh, I love this question. What's your idea of a perfect date?
I hate this question, eh?
Why?
I don't know, because I feel like the perfect date should just come from your heart. I'm not picky on what it should be, but it should just come from a place of, you know, like it should have meaning in it. Yeah, I'm not picky on what it should be. It would be beautiful. And yours?
I can see where you're coming from with that, but like, I feel like the perfect date for me will like be something that starts during the day and then ends at night. So like you do a cute activity in the morning, like I don't know, go to the aquarium or go to an art museum, something cute, and then you guys have a cute like lunch hour, whatever. Then you meet up later and have fancy dinner, like a nice fancy dinner. You dress up, girl, your face is beat, he's also looking nice, you know what I'm saying? Manifesting.
And then you, after that, what happens?
After what? Dinner?
Yeah.
Whatever you want, baby girl. Whatever your heart desires. Do you find it easy forgiving people?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so too. I forgive, but I will never forget.
I can forgive you. It's up to me if I want to forgive.
True.
Guys, the food is finished.
Yo, child.
We just have chips left. Not a lot of chips.
What's your opinion about friends with benefits?
I don't subscribe to that thing.
Same.
It's either we're in a relationship or you're leaving me alone. Leave me alone.
Leave me alone.
I don't want benefits. So thank you guys. That's the end of our video.
We hope you enjoyed. We ate a lot. We said a lot.
And there was a lot of clownery going on.
Tomfoolery, papaism.
Well, before we
Run it back.
before we end the video, don't forget to subscribe,
like, comment,
share,
and turn on those post notifications.
and stay tuned for our next video.
Yes.
We will have some guests over. We're not gonna say who, but
Hopefully we'll have some guests with us.
tuned.
And thank you so much for 100 subscribers, guys. We're on the road to 200. We're so happy.
Let's keep pushing. We'll give you content. Please keep subscribing and sharing. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
You did like
A lot.
two.
You're actually lying. And there's evidence, so don't lie.
I was originally what?
Huh? Sorry, girl. We can't hear.
That's why I'm swearing.
Okay. Ready.
Please start it again.